You need to deworm your cat fast. Is a pill faster than drops? What if some oral pills reach peak effect in just over an hour? This defies the logic that topicals have a direct route to the blood. That direct route avoids the liver, which can weaken oral medications. So, pill or drop? We'll break down the science in real-world data. First, a baseline. How quickly does any dewormer start having an effect? Most medications, oral or topical, begin to work on parasites within hours. Many owners see visible results inside of 24 hours. But starting to work isn't a complete cure. The goal is to eliminate all life stages, from eggs to adults. This full eradication takes 2 to 3 weeks, often needing repeat doses. So our focus is on the speed of that first critical attack. That initial attack depends on how fast the drug hits peak blood concentration. So what's happening inside your cat with a pill versus a drop? Let's answer that. For an oral pill, it's an obstacle course. It has to survive stomach acid, get absorbed, and then pass the liver. That trip to the liver, first pass metabolism, is a huge hurdle. It can break down part of the drug, reducing its initial punch and potency. Now, the topical route is less of an obstacle course and more of a superhighway. The medication soaks through the skin into the bloodstream directly. By totally bypassing the digestive system and the liver's first pass, drug absorption is often smoother and much more predictable. The theory is clear. Topicals have a more direct route. But does that automatically make them faster? The data might surprise you. Let's look at the numbers. Some advanced topical formulas are very fast, reaching peak concentration in just 4 to 8 hours. But other topicals are built for slow release. Imodepside takes 2 to 3 days to reach its peak. Longevity is sometimes the goal. And recall our oral pill. Data confirms some absorb with incredible speed, reaching peak effect in around 73 minutes, beating many topicals. This proves the main point. The specific active ingredient and formula often matter more than the route. There is no universally fastest path, so we have the science and the data. But our cats don't live in labs. What happens in the real world to change the speed equation? The single biggest factor that destroys the speed of an oral medication is compliance. We've all fought the battle to give a cat a pill. If your cat spits the pill out, hides it, or vomits it up, the dose is 0. That 73-minute pill is now infinitely slow because treatment never started. Here, topicals gain a massive real-world speed advantage. Applying drops is far easier for many owners, ensuring the full dose is given correctly. Another complication is a type of worm. A dewormer that is lightning fast against roundworms could be useless against tapeworms. Finally, a heavy worm infestation can lengthen the visible clearing time. Even if the drug works fast, there's simply more to remove from the system. Let's connect this. We know certain oral pills have the potential to be chemically faster. We also know topicals have more reliable administration. This means we must consider practical onset of action, the true speed from having the medicine to it successfully working inside your cat. Because of compliance issues like vomiting, a chemically slower topical can have a faster practical onset of action. The race starts only after a full dose. So, what does this mean when you're at the vet's office? How do you make the fastest choice for your own cat? Here is the final breakdown. The answer to oral versus topical, which is faster, is it depends. It's a mix of the drug, your cat's temperament, and the specific parasite. For pure chemical speed, some oral drugs are the winners. But for reliable speed that ensures treatment begins on time, topicals often have the edge. A final trap to avoid. Over-the-counter options are not a shortcut. Prescription dewormers target specific worms for faster, complete treatment. The quickest way to get your cat healthy is not to guess. A proper diagnosis from your veterinarian is the single most important step. Your vet weighs all these factors, the drug's speed, the parasite, and your cat's personality to choose the truly fastest and most effective option. Share this video to help other cat owners understand the science behind deworming. Thank you for watching.